Me go there, in the first half, every time I go up there, good. But you know, like when somebody have somebody and mess, like me did it, and it have become like, me did it too long, like, overstay my time. And then some start to go, say this pussy have a girl.
Like me, I tell Annie say I have woman in the house.
Right?
People never say I'm in the house.
Right. Yes. When me did that, they look a batty boy, no stay did it. He no stay did it. You understand me? He no stay did it. And when me did that now, it went time I gone, and then the time he stay the yard. Oi.
Hey boy have woman over there.
Son of that, me I tell you.
Tiki, thank you. Make we see it.
Me no want you drop down, me no want to show you.
Who I go drop down? Blood clot that way. What me
guys,
say?
Guys, shoot.
And remember say you once love him just like how.
Me once love him, and one time a boy me eat him, me 9 him, me blood clot 10 him, me 88 blood clot him. What you talk about now?
Well, me want about my so alright, this sure.
Me not. Let me look for me other phone. Wait.
What the blood clot you think? Are you gonna show me that? Where you show me that for? When me don't make Lando dig out my hole anytime in camp, please me come and watch you.
19G.
Where you show me that for? Me don't want that. Just like when I play the game, I play the game blood clot too.
Annie, you're a woman. I don't want you to talk like that.
Talk about a plumbing car, that was a prank, so it's not plumbing. We don't need it.
Annie, I don't want you to talk like that. Please, do not talk like that. You're a young, beautiful,
Alright, Jaden. Alright.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna do that.
Never see a plumbing, but it wouldn't be plumbing because I did any prank him.
I'm not plumbing that. I don't want to see no girl. I don't want to see no girl.
So, girl, I go watch the TV where you're
I don't want to see no girl. I don't want to see no girl. A boy go suck your mother.
But suck your mother, police.
Plenty blood clot time.
Suck out your mother, police. You know a long one class.
Tell the girl to set a bucket.
You know a long one class with dirty police.
Tell the girl to set a blood clot bucket. My mom tell you.
Blood clot. Tik Tok Police, we have to set bucket for go shit. Tik Tok Police. Tik Tok Police, we have to set blood clot bucket for go ass clot beard. Tik Tok Police, you have to pray for rainfall so you get water because blood clot.
So you get some water to go wash him stinking body. Your first wife.
Tik Tok Police, we have to wait for rain to fall. We have to pray to God every day for water, blood clot come in our shop. Because water no run over a blood clot in. Tik Tok Police, we have to set water bucket there so for shit outside. Dirty Tik Tok Police, come near me.
Oh, woman for blood clot this me. Oh, she for blood clot this me. What she blood clot can have over me mother where she can talk about on the media? Eh? Him and plummy come suck my pussy back way, front way and blood clot side way. And that them for come blood clot though. Think no blood clot. So good boy can blood clot this me. Eh? So good stinking blood clot boy when I like beard can blood clot this me.
Eh? Annie, you say if you go back in, you're not going to be friend with me, you know.
Oh, I'm not go back there then. When me I go back I go?
So I can class him, right?
Class him blood clot.
Dirty stinking Tik Tok Police. So good. You're so good like brief. Stinking dog shit. Tik Tok Police, me as a blood clot.
Request me in the box, I'm rubbing blood clot.
Dirty fatty man. Dirty dog bed. Dirty raw mouth.
Me I rub him over here for you, yeah?
Yeah. Yes,
please.
Oh, guys, I'm tell you something. I use things from day one. When him drop off,
box Jaden, but he not upset me.
Class
right? You see when him drop off, you know what him do? Him use me at the most vulnerable moment. And you know, say I told Jaden, I said, don't disrespect myself with that dirty thinking boy there. A boy end up use me at the most vulnerable moment because you see me on the internet, I go through a lot of things. I using things from blood clot beginning.
It's Batty man, admin at the blood clot back, we can get it done, your boy.
Dirty Batty boy.
Who give up a fuck about blood clot plumbing? I care about blood clot plumbing when I go tell you about plumbing.
Yeah, your woman don't like a scene. I really Batty man will cost you.
You think like a blood clot dog with a thinking mouth, with a rotten blood clot teeth them for a young boy. For a young blood clot boy like you, your teeth them ugly no blood clot. You're thinking blood clot mouth.
25 rules, 25 rules.
Blood clot night, you can't even name a good blood clot.
Guys, 25 rules, come out and see me. He not add me, you know.
He not gonna add me. He not gonna add you.
25 rules, 25 rules.
You want pump, you want
plumbing,
go and shit in the shop.
He say not add me.
You want plumbing, go and shit in the shop, drunk bro.
One
Plummy go and shit in the blood clot shop and go and shit at your back of your mama house.
One storm soon come. One storm soon come. No worry yourself.
You talk wash them out, man. Them out
One
get washed
storm
out.
soon come. One local storm. I go wash where the shop.
I really plumb you up. Me not. Boy, Johnny will start plumbing, man.
All dirty, stinking, careless plumbing. You look good though, but anyways, plumbing.
Like we give a fuck. Yeah, look a blood clot, come back, everybody I see who your really blood clot is. Plummy, when rain a come, hurry up, my love. 3 bucket right in the middle, my love. The bed are wet. Scoot it over more, my love. You understand? Plummy, big up yourself, but not lie. Congratulations.
Plummy,
What
Plummy
a
could wait
prize.
for your go over, Annie. Annie, Plummy could wait for your go over for squeeze in.
Yeah. She
I
can't
want that
go and
to
take
fit.
him. When I lie.
Then I see somebody a fight
Let
over
up
the
to
shop.
me.
Jaden, there's a kitty over there. Call up your name.
Eh? Crown about the kitty. I don't feel them time, anytime.
I don't feel that time. We not give them no clout.
Yeah, anytime now.
Don't go on like your blood clot smaddy. One of the things me hear about this boy, me can't even carry him go river. Him come like some blood clot. Hey, up to dog love water to bumbo clot. Up to dog love blood clot water. Not even river me can't carry this stinking blood clot boy go. The boy don't like beard. The boy don't like blood clot water. 4 or 5 days to blood clot thinking boy no want go beard. Eh? 4 or 5 blood clot there, this stinking blood clot boy don't want to put look water on him blood clot skin. Ya go talk. The only way to blood clot me and you fuck a back where you look down in my body wall drunk. Body blood clot boy. Eh? Ya come blood clot chat to me. You have wood? You have good blood clot wood young boy like you can't even run 1 3 round blood clot for me. Eh? Me I go for my blood clot head tap your top blood clot. Hey boy, no more you fuck your blood clot self with me now. Your blood clot hood, you come go on like every day you boast by your dead blood clot hood. Eh? Every day you boast by your dead hood. Love me and you both know say it's a dead cat that your blood clot fuck. Me know see up in your body wall him a tear up in her. The only position in life. You think like a dog. Make Plummy go fix your blood clot car where I walk now. Make Plummy go do that because me not give you me money if you go fix the car where blood clot walk. Yeah. That car supposed to have blood clot drive. If your car a blood clot walk dog shit. So make Plummy go blood clot fix it. Yeah, you get a blood clot TV now. You get a TV, make Plummy go fix the blood clot or bumbo clot yabba yabba do blood clot fix a car. Dog shit. Yeah, look man for mine you like you're mining. You're mining. You're blood clot mining. Thinking boy. That's grateful no blood clot. There's an ungrateful drunk crow. That's why your mother not agree. Your mother see you one say you're so good. Your mother say you're a body man. When me hear your own mother say you're a body man, remember me tell you my blood
Bad.
Come on,
when
me
me
team.
hear
Come on, me
your
team.
own mama will birth you, say you're a body man. So good man. Eh? My blood run cool. What me look for you tell you say? Me say me can't deal with you.
No, simple.
Me can't deal with you because if you see once your class your mother, eh? And me have pitney what do it to me. Brother, me tell you so me can't blood clot deal with you. Me love man will love their mother.
Yes.
Know that.
Thank you, Kel.
So from your class, your blood clot, mama. Remember me tell you me no want you.
Okay, thank you.
Oh. Yeah, your mama live bad like a blood clot dog. Like 2 blood clot mongrel.
Tik Tok Police your chat.
You come blood clot talk about me. You chat about me dog shit. You know nobody?
You look like say anytime police broke, police find something to come make you argue because you know say you go class.
Yes.
I know say you love run.
Yeah, you know how he go cussing. So anytime he broke, he just come up with blood clot something. Because first of all, for you see the woman and you know she not cute.
No, you're going to know if a sweet cat because I know me alone I go talk about the cat, baby. I know me alone I go talk about the blood clot cock. So you're going to know if a sweet blood clot cock.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, some man in the anime don't get like a popularity and then don't know how to deal with it. Because before you and him, he never been a one, so.
And that thing I do.
26 road.
Other woman. He come out
26
and
rows.
hype on it. Guys, each person one rose, guys.
26 rows, guys. 26
and if he
rows.
start hype
26
on, you know
rows,
when
guys.
start to do?
26
He started to
rows.
show people like me, I run him down and them something there. You understand me? You the boy go talk about BFs. I have a ring for you now. But work feet. So this blood clot.
How are the blood
I
clot?
think
When you
that
have to work for it. If I feel ring, if you give you have to work for you.
How are the blood clot this?
Guys, me know the day sound and not support me, you know. But me
Up on
have
him
to
blood
bad
clot.
talk. Everybody there so me can't catch his speed. Or not tap his scream. You understand me? I say me know there's so many people there over
Guys,
here.
use it double, use it double, use it double. Cause your cuss are not begging.
Come on, guys, shoot
right now. Me a
something.
focus.
We are cause
Guys,
I'm
stop his
begging.
scream for me.
Come on, my team. Come on, my team.
Come over here so go argue with me. I can't see say people them over there now give him. As soon as he get $100 and $200 in my case and go draft, he go party every blood clot night. You understand me? See as he done, he come back and tell the people them top up his scream. I saw now deal with me so like me rape. Eh?
Dingo. Dirty batty man.
D,
Ramo.
thank you, baby. Thank you.
Stinking
You
batty
know what him
man.
do? D, me put him for my moderator system. And you know say boy black me gift.
G19. Bad mind boy.
I saw them time, sometimes they block your
Batman.
blessing, man. I saw them
Yeah,
Batman.
In bad, me black me
In
gifters.
Batman.
You want say to me gifters now? Woman said, unblock me get for gift Annie. You know? If me unblock you go give you now go continue give me. That is said to the woman.
What a wicked batty man.
Guys,
Batty man. How
the one just go over there in our live and
We
comment,
need help. Thomas, where you there?
that's all. Just go over there in our live and comment, okay, Boric. Everybody just go over there and comment, okay, Boric.
Me need help. Jabas, where you there?
Because when we see Kitty and Sabrina over there, because both don't make one blood clot sense. So they just go find her and comment, okay, Boric, and come back. That's all.
Thank you, baby. Thank you, boss.
But they can't comment in our live. Me told them, say them come over them and make up one bag of lie. And them say this and them say that, and them say make no blood clot sense. No them say make no sense. Just like how them boring per life, and see them say them blood clot boring in a real life. You look at that girl go come per life, but talk about fight one. After one man said, we're not crosses, and me walk out, got slung in a car. She got to the man, got talk about, don't come friend no crosses, because she under her blood clot Mali. And then the man, a choke her out and face, me gonna try party fight. Me and the boy end up start fight. She run come in, drop 2 blood clot, coward stab. Run out and start, tell everybody say, she's about man for me. The girl never get a charge, the girl never get locked up. She call every blood clot body and tell them say she want bail. And nobody never got no police. Kitty is a blood clot lion. Tell Kitty say must go tell Uno when is our court date for the fight, so she fight for me. Since she fight for me, tell her, ask her when is our court date. Ask her that. So when are your blood clot court date? Ask her that. Me, what your people?
A video who. No boy can video me or do nothing. No boy.
You see how money me had with for? Did I tell them to come to my yard? Okay, I'm not telling you because some man not eat that. Because first of all, when you there, when you see how everything happen, when you see me there, my blood clot yard, and they come at me yard, and me fuck up them blood clot, and none of them just can't do me no so they go come and ask their money me had for no. Them bad mind, no, just like they did bad mind.
And you have a video of me without my consent.
First of all, I don't know nothing about Obia. Second thing, I was gonna Obia.
You think you would have seen Richard jail
blood
yet?
clot kitty.
No,
I would have forgot Obia blood clot Nicki Minaj. Now why me go Obia somebody on the can't?
Yeah.
Jabas, me I tell you something. Jabas, me I tell you something. A little tears gonna flow because you see me very emotional.
Y'all make me cry
But
today.
Jabas, I see as long as me